So, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Today again we are going to practice and revision for the final exam. Okay. So let me open the website and ask some questions. Last time we did some practice from these questions. Okay. From this website. Okay. So let me ask you some more question today. Okay, what is the full form of USB? Can anyone tell what is the full form of USB? Option 1, unshielded system board. Option 2, universal system board. Option 3, undefined, sorry, unidentified system bus. Option 4, universal system bus. आप सब लोग USB यूज करते हो ना? USB पेन ड्राइव.
I think it's option A. It's option A.
B.
Sir,
D is correct.
Yes.
D.
Option B.
it's B.
Universal System Board.
Sir,
Universal system bus.
It's
Option
B
4
is
is the
correct.
correct answer.
option 1. Sir,
Option 4.
universal system bus. D.
Sir, option 4.
Option 4 is the correct. Okay. Universal system bus.
Yes, D is
आप लोग
correct.
तो USB यूज करते हो ना? USB पेन ड्राइव,
हाँ।
USB फ्लैश. ठीक है, इसका
हाँ।
फुल फॉर्म होता है यूनिवर्सल सिस्टम बस.
I said right.
What is 5 main components of a computer system? What is 5 main components of a system? CPU, CD-ROM, mouse, keyboard, sound card. Memory, video card, monitor, software, hardware. Modem, keyboard, word processor, printer, screen. CPU, memory, system bus, input, output.
Sir, it's option A.
Sir, I think it's
Sir, A is correct.
B.
Sir, it's A.
A.
CPU, Hazard, it's A. A is correct.
A.
Hazard,
D.
A. Option 1. A.
D, sir. D, sir.
B. B. B.
D is
But I think the
correct,
fourth
sir.
answer is the correct.
No, sir, it's A. I think D is correct. It's A.
Fourth is the correct answer. Okay.
Oh my.
CPU, memory, system bus, input, output.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
I think all of you didn't read the question properly. It is asking for the components. What is components? The part of computer which is connected to the motherboard directly without help of wire. Okay. Like
Yes.
keyboard, mouse, all are peripherals. Monitor is also peripheral. So it's not components. आपको starting day में बताया था definition of the components and peripheral.
Sir, sorry.
Yes, sir, वो D answer है.
Which of the following numbers is a binary number? 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0 and 1.
0 and 1. D is correct.
0 and 1,
These are
sir.
correct. 0 and 1 is the
D1.
binary number. Okay. Okay, the use of IC. The use of IC in a computer has what? Option 1, increase the amount of heating. Option 2, reduce the size and cost of computer. Option 3, reduce the peripheral devices to be used. Option 4, reduce the performance capacity of the computer.
Sir, A wala.
Sir, A is correct. Option
A,
1.
sir. Sir, D.
Sir, I think is
Sir,
A.
D.
ठीक है, अब stop. Repeating again question.
D is
Listen
correct.
carefully.
A is correct, sir.
I'm saying just stop and listen question again. I'm repeating, okay? The use of the IC, मतलब IC का use computer में होता है. क्यों? The use of the IC in computer has, जो computer में IC use किया गया था, क्यों किया गया था? Increase the amount of heating increase करने के लिए, reduce the size and cost of computer का size और उसका cost कम करने के लिए. Option 3, reduce the peripheral device to be used, उसमें जितना peripheral device use होता था उसको कम करने के लिए. Option 4, reduce the performance capacity of the computer का performance कम करने के लिए. किस लिए यूज होता था? यूज क्या IC को?
Sir, option B. Sir,
Option B.
A.
उसका साइज रिड्यूस हो गया और कंप्यूटर का कॉस्ट भी कम हो गया था, राइट?
Yes, D is correct.
तो पहले क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से सुनो, उसके बाद आंसर करो.
Yes.
Which one of the following is not input device? Keyboard, mouse, speaker, scanner.
Sir, please repeat again. Speaker is not.
Which of the following is not input device? Keyboard, mouse, speaker, scanner.
Speaker is not input
Scanner.
device. Speaker, C is correct.
Speaker is not an input device.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct.
Nee, maar je bent niet gedaan. Maar ik heb niet zijn
Which one of the following is an example of the browser software?
Sir, D.
Browsing software, Microsoft Word, Notepad, Internet Navigator, or Internet Explorer.
D, sir, D.
One, two, three, four. Which one?
Sir, 4. 4, sir. The
Correct
Internet Explorer.
ठीक है. Which one of the following commands can be used to work on a file? Control plus XY, control plus true, control plus C, none of these.
None of this, sir.
Control plus. I think it's none of this, sir.
D wala, sir.
Control plus C.
Control plus C,
Sir, D wala.
copy command.
My
All of you forgot, right?
Sir, C.
Control 2 is also okay. You can say because what is the shortcut? When we use the shortcut key control plus 2, कोई बताएगा control plus 2 क्यों यूज करते हैं?
no.
Control 2 is a
sir,
shortcut key of what? Control 2 is a shortcut key of what? Line space 2, line space double. Remember?
Yes, sir.
MS Word में करते थे ना line spacing increase करने के लिए. If you press Control 2, so double line space. Which of the following device is used for gaming? Speaker, mouse, joystick, none of these.
It's joystick, sir.
Joystick is the correct answer.
Joystick,
Good.
sir. Joystick.
Which of the following command remove the paragraph formatting?
Control plus
Which
Q.
of the following
Sir, control
command
plus
remove the
Q.
paragraph formatting? Control L, copy, open, control Q.
Control plus Q.
Control plus Q. Yeah. Because control L used for the left alignment. Copy, you know why we use copy and why we use open also, okay? A spreadsheet is the best application for writing an information, handling simple accounts, producing a grid reference map, or keeping inventory of equipment used.
B is correct, sir. And the simple handling simple accounts. A is correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Handling
sir.
simply account, okay?
That's it. B is correct.
Which of the following is the twice size of A4 paper? A4 पेपर का डबल क्या होता है? A2, A3, A5, A8.
A3 sir.
A3.
A3.
Questions you can read. All of you can read the question on the screen, okay? It's written on the screen, so you can read on the screen also. Which of the following is the twice the size of A4 paper? मतलब A4 size का पेपर का डबल कौन सा होता है? A2, A3, A5, A8. तो A3 is the double of the A4. ठीक है? और A4 का
Sir,
हाफ होता है A5.
Option D is correct.
A4 का हाफ होता है A5. It's mean 2 paper of A5 equals to 1 A4 paper. Okay? 2 A5 साइज का पेपर होगा तो वो इक्वल टू होगा 1 A4 साइज पेपर, और 2 पेजेस होगा आपके पास A4 साइज तो वो इक्वल होगा A3 साइज के. Okay. Which of the following statement is correct about the virus? इसमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है बताना है. The virus is a small program that infects a large program in the user system. Option 2 है the virus is a file of the hacker. Option 3 है the virus is an operating system that controls the entire OS. Option 4 है none of these.
Sir, option B.
Option C.
Option 1 is the correct answer. The virus is a small program that infects a large program in the user system. Okay? एक प्रोग्राम होता है छोटा सा जो हमारे कंप्यूटर को हार्म करता है. ठीक है? Option 1 is the correct answer. Which of the following languages computer understand? Java language, C language, binary language, object language.
Binary language.
Binary language. Okay. The 4 bits, okay, the 4 bits are called byte, nibble, octet, bit.
Nepal, sir.
Nibble is the correct
Option
answer.
A. But never.
What is the full form of VDU? Virtual Development User, Virtual Detection Unit, Visual Detection Unit, or Visual Display Unit? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Four is
Third
correct.
four.
Fourth one is the correct. Visual Display Unit. Abhi, I think day before yesterday or yesterday I told you about this, huh? Which of the following shortcut keys show the properties of a file? Alt plus Control, Alt plus P, Alt plus F3, or Alt plus Enter?
C.
D. Alt plus Enter. If you press Alt plus,
Sir,
if
I
you
think
select a
it's
file,
all plus enter.
अगर आप किसी फाइल पे क्लिक करोगे और Alt Enter प्रेस करोगे तो आपको पूरा इन्फॉर्मेशन शो करेगा, ठीक है? उसका डेट का, उसका साइज क्या है, व्हाटएवर जो भी होगा. Which of the following language was used in first generation computer? Java, Python, machine language, all of these.
C is correct.
C, sir.
C, machine language.
Machine language.
Because the Python language तो अभी start हुआ है, पहले नहीं था इतना ज्यादा, है ना? अभी ज्यादा यूज में आया है. Which one of the following part is called the brain of the computer? ALU, monitor, UPS, CPU.
CPU.
Third C wala, sir.
CPU.
Yes.
CPU is the brain of computer. Okay.
Ah.
CPU is the brain of computer.
Brain of computer. हाँ sir.
Which device contains a cathode ray tube? Speaker, mouse, monitor, keyboard.
Keyboard, sir. G.
Sir, please repeat again.
Which device contains a cathode ray tube? Speaker,
B is
mouse,
correct.
monitor.
Sir, B is correct. Mouse.
C, A, sir.
Sir, it's B. Mouse.
Keyboard, sir.
Monitor. Monitor. Okay, correct answer is the
Okay,
monitor.
sir.
I share you some pictures now from the books. I click some picture of the book and then I share you. On that it is mentioned. There's a two types of monitor. Two types of monitor. One is the CRT, another one is the LCD. Okay. Nowadays we are using the flat screen, that is the LCD. But before we were using the CRT monitor. याद है जो टेलीविजन जैसा बड़ा सा एक बॉक्स होता था मॉनिटर का? That is called the cathode ray tube. Okay. Cathode ray tube type monitor. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
हाँ, वो जो बड़ा वाला इस मॉनिटर होता था ना, बॉक्स जैसा होता था, उसको बोलते थे सीआरटी मॉनिटर. ओके.
Okay, sir.
Which of the following memory is very fast memory in computer? Random access memory, random memory, cache memory, read-only memory.
D,
Sir,
sir.
it's D. Read only memory.
Cache
Yes,
memory
sir.
is the fastest memory. Cache
Oh,
memory,
yes,
okay?
correct. Cache memory. Cache memory. Okay, sorry, sir.
And the computer cache memory is a very fast memory that works as a buffer between the CPU and RAM. Okay. It works between the CPU and RAM.
हाँ,
Which
sir.
one? Cache memory. If the
हाँ.
cache memory is less in your computer, so your computer speed is very slow. Which of the following device is used for both input and output? Monitor, speaker, scanner, modem.
Monitor.
Monitor is only for
Yes,
output.
sir.
इसमें से ऐसा कौन सा डिवाइस है जो इनपुट और आउटपुट दोनों का काम करता है?
Modem.
Yes, sir.
And scanner. Scanner.
Speaker.
Monitor is for output, speaker is also for output, scanner is for
Monitor,
input.
sir. Modem.
Modem. Modem is the correct answer. Modem used for the input and output both. Modem takes the signal from the server and then give to the user to use internet. Okay.
हाँ, sir. हाँ.
Which of the following two memory is the main memory in a computer? Option 1, primary memory and secondary memory. Option 2, RAM and ROM. Option 3, random memory and sequential memory. Option 4, primary memory and sequential memory. Correct answer कौन सा है इसमें से?
Option
Yes,
B,
sir.
RAM and ROM.
RAM and ROM.
Option B, RAM and ROM is the correct answer. Okay.
Sir, it's option B.
Yeah,
RAM and ROM.
good.